Hey, why?
Whiskers. Why you do that? Hey, what's up, guys? Clint here,
And Holly.
and you're watching the Moore Homestead.
Don't forget whiskey
And Whiskers and
spicy
sea farming. But anyway, we took a trip down south towards Woodland. Well, we went to Woodland, and we went to Woodland's auctions or Woods auctions, Woody's auctions, I think.
Woody's auctions.
And we were just going there to check it out and follow along to see what we got.
Somebody just can't help themselves. Who is it?
It wasn't me. Never.
Couldn't have been me either. Stay tuned. We brought you some friends. Please be nice, okay? They're a little bit smaller. Okay, ready? Oh, that's those. Aren't they so pretty? I think maybe, depending, we might give this one to Mom. So docile, look at that. Oh. Okay, that's all of that one. I hope they'll be okay.
We'll find out by morning.
Oh, look, there's that one. That one's... Oh my... Look at this little black one, how fluffy her feet are. Okay, ready for these ones? These ones are a little bit bigger. They're already trying to get out. Oops, sorry.
What? What do you think?
I think we got a lot of chickens now. They blend in. Look, that one looks like that one.
Be aggressive.
No, hopefully they'll be good. Maybe we just got to put a little bit more food out, and we might have to put the water down.
Yeah.
That one's up there trying to stay away.
There's a baby they got out that way.
Oh. Well, there's no room up there, though. That's what I was thinking. Ooh, that one's pretty. The white and black one. Hey, dude, you almost knocked the ladies over.
Is that cool?
Come on, ladies. Carrie. Come on. You don't want to come say hi? Oh, look. The little one's going to come say hi to you. Come on, Miss Carrie. There we go. Look at her. Oh, yeah, that was Peppa. Miss Peppa. Come on, Carrie. Are you scared of the little ones? There you go. Good girl.
Now there's some eggs down it. You have a better environment.
It's not bad.
Oh.
Oh. They're trying to both. They're pretty guys, though. Boy and girl.
Release the krakens.
Go.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Come on, girl. You can do it. There you go. There you go.
Hi, guys.
Hopefully she'll look better and heal up soon. Purdy.
I think they're digging it. If you enjoyed the video, and until next time, please like, subscribe, and comment, and all the cool stuff. Just come on back, you hear?